A very warm welcome to Genie's Crochet Corner. Today I'd like to just show you this lovely 2-row repeat chunky crochet pattern. A great pattern for blankets and scarves and cardigans. And it's worked on a multiple of 6 chain plus 1. And what we're going to be doing is we just go straight into the first pattern row and then to the second pattern row. You just repeat the first pattern row, second pattern row for as long as you want to. It looks like this from this side and like this from the other side. So I'm just working on a 12 ply chunky yarn. It's a lovely soft yarn, and I'm using a 10mm crochet hook. So I'm just going to start off by making my slip knot, and I'm working on a multiple of 6 chain plus 1. So I'm going to chain 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I've got my multiples of 6, and I just work one extra chain. And we're just going to go straight into the first pattern row. So I'm going to be skipping or missing 1, 2, 3 chain from the hook, the first 3 chain from the hook, and I'm going to miss the next chain into the following chain. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Into the 5th chain from the hook, I'm going to work a double crochet, 1 chain and a double crochet. So we have our 1, 2, 3 chain and then another missed chain. These 3 chain count as a stitch and as the turning chain. And this is the first pattern row. So I'm going to miss the next chain, and into the following chain I'm going to work 1 double crochet, 1 chain, and then 1 double crochet. I'm going to miss the next chain, and into the following chain I'm just going to work 1 double crochet, 1 chain, and 1 double crochet. So that is the first pattern row. Then I'm going to miss the next chain, and into the following chain I work 1 double crochet, 1 chain, and 1 double crochet. And I'm left with 1, 2 chain. I'm going to miss the next chain, and into the last chain just going to work a double crochet. So that's the first pattern row. 1, 2, 3 chain, counting as the turning chain and as a stitch, and then into every second chain I've worked 1 double crochet, 1 chain, and 1 double crochet. We just go on to the second pattern row now. 1, 2, 3 chain, and we turn our work, and the 3 chain counts as a stitch and as the turning chain, so we won't be using this first stitch here. And we've got our 1 double crochet, 1 chain, and 1 double crochet into this chain here. What we're going to do is yarn round hook and before the first double crochet, just insert your hook in, bring it out around the back of the first double crochet and through the stitch here of the second double crochet, and we're going to work a complete double crochet, and we're going to repeat that another 2 times. So yarn round hook, just insert before the first double crochet up around the back of the first double crochet and into the stitch of the second double crochet, and we repeat that another 1 more time. Yarn round hook, in before the first double crochet around the back and up, and then through the stitch of the second double crochet. That is your first pattern stitch of the second row. We repeat that to the end of the row, so yarn around hook, and we have our 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet. So just yarn round hook, insert your hook in before the first double crochet, round the back and up round the back of the first double crochet, and then through to the stitch of the second double crochet, and we work a double crochet. And we repeat that 2 more times. In, around the back, up, and then through the stitch of the second double crochet. Just in, round, and through the stitch of the second double crochet. And that's how it's starting to look on this side, and on this side it's starting to look like that. We repeat that until the end of the row. Just in, around the back, and through the stitch of the second double crochet. Come to the last 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, just in, round the back, and then through the front of the stitch of the second double crochet. In, round the back. We do that for a total of 3 times. And we're left with our turning chain, our 3 chain turning chain. You can either work a double crochet into the 3rd chain, or I just tend to go in underneath the chain and just work a double crochet. And that is your second pattern row. It looks like so. This would be the front side, and this would be the back part of the crochet project. So I'll just work 2 more rows with you. So we go back to the first pattern row, so I'm going to chain 1, 2, 3, and the 3 chain count as a stitch and as the turning chain, so we don't use this stitch. And these are the 1, 2, 3 double crochet we made on the second pattern row. So we're not going to use the first double crochet into this second double crochet, the middle of this 3 double crochet group. We're just going to work 1 double crochet, 1 chain and 1 double crochet. So we're back at the first pattern row. So we're not using that stitch we've worked in the middle of this 3 double crochet group, and we do the same on the next 3 double crochet group. We don't use this first stitch, and we work 1 double crochet into the middle stitch of that group, 1 chain and 1 double crochet. And we don't use the third double crochet of this 3 double crochet group, and we just repeat that till the end. So we miss this double crochet into the center double crochet of the 3 double crochet group. We're going to be working 1 double crochet, 1 chain and 1 double crochet. We've come to the last 3 double crochet group. We miss this one into the middle double crochet of this 3 double crochet group. We're going to work 1 double crochet, 1 chain and then another double crochet into the same place. We've come to our turning chain, our 3 chain, the turning chain. You can either just go make your double crochet into the 3rd chain, or you can just go underneath and work my double crochet. So we have our first pattern row, second pattern row, and that's the first pattern row, and then we just go back to the second pattern row. So chain 1, 2 and 3, and we do what we did on the second pattern row. So yarn round hook, because this is your double crochet, 1 chain, double crochet into this middle stitch here. So yarn round hook, in before, just in before the first double crochet, bring it out round the back of the first double crochet, and then through the stitch here of the second double crochet, and just work a double crochet, just in, around, and we just have a total of 3 of those double crochet. So in, around the back, round up through the back, and then through the stitch of the second double crochet. And that's how it's looking. This would be the front side. And we just repeat that to the end of the row. Just round through the stitch of the second double crochet. In, up around the back and through the second stitch of the second double crochet. So we just repeat that till the end. You can use it on a thinner plywool with a smaller crochet hook, and it works up really quickly with a chunky yarn and your bigger crochet hook. So just up around the back of the first double crochet through the stitch of the second double crochet. We've come to our turning chain. You can work your double crochet into the third chain. I just go underneath the chain loop and work my double crochet that way, and that's how it's looking from the front side, and that's from the other side. And as I say, you would just work on a multiple of 6 plus 1 chain, and it's just the first pattern row, second pattern row, and then just repeat first pattern row, second pattern row. I do hope this tutorial has been useful to you. Until next time, enjoy crocheting.